This video, I'm making a game without any code, because why would you use code when you can literally kill yourself? So before we start, let's see what a game even is. An activity that one engages in for amusement or fun. The kids were playing a game with their balloons. Right, so now usually at this point, I'd start a new project in Unity, but that would require code. So we're going to use this revolutionary technology to make the game. And to do that, we need to go to the university library, because there they have state-of-the-art quantum tech. And because I'm not smart enough to go to university myself, I'm using my friend Ben's account that he definitely gave me permission to use, and his password definitely isn't 1234. And now, for the revolutionary technology we came here to get. It's MS Paint. Okay, we have an empty canvas. We're gonna make a circle, and we're gonna give the circle a little tail. We'll make it red because the subscribe button is red, which hopefully you've clicked. Also, thank you so much for 10,000 subscribers. How do I have 10,000 subscribers? I'm making a red balloon on MS Paint for a YouTube video. But please subscribe. Okay, the game is done. It's time to play it. Wow. This game is actually really fun. I should totally sell this on Steam. Now I know what you're all probably saying. Virej, this isn't a game. Well, Google disagrees. Because at the end of the day, aren't we all just kids playing games with balloons? Subscribe.